Hi there beauties, I'm Rika. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I am going to show you how to use Dr. Alvin Rejumax. Before using Rejumax, make sure the product that you have is safe and authentic. There are lots of fake Rejumax being sold in the physical stores and even in online stores. So examine the products before using, as fake products may harm your skin. You may check out the links of my authentic Dr. Alvin Rejumax on the description box. Next is you have to perform a skin test. To do this, you must apply a small amount of topical solution on the lower back portion of your ear. If there are no redness, itchiness, or skin irritation within 24 hours after application, then you may start using. The package says this product is not recommended for use by pregnant and lactating mothers and those individuals with history of skin hypersensitivity, acute skin inflammation, and acute eczema. Wash your face with warm water and Dr. Alvin kojic acid soap. Warm water helps open up the pores and clear the dirt inside. You may rub the soap on your hands first, then wet your face and gently rub your hands on your face. You may leave the soap for 30 seconds, then rinse it with water. Let your face dry naturally or gently damp with towel to dry. The Dr. Alvin kojic acid soap may be used in the morning and in the evening. Next step is to apply the topical solution. Do this by getting a cotton ball and applying just enough amount of the solution, then applying it to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. You may do this in an upward motion to avoid the development of wrinkles by stretching your skin downward. You should not apply this if you have open wounds or erupted pimples. The topical solution and the soothing cream are only used at night. Applying this topical solution may induce peeling, so applying it to a newly exposed skin may really cause stinging sensation. This may be lessened by applying the soothing cream after the topical solution has dried up. While using this product, you have to avoid excessive sunlight exposure, and it is best to apply sunscreen protection in the morning. The sunblock cream included in the Dr. Alvin Rejumax set has only 15 SPF. It is better to use sunblock with more than 30 SPF, so you might want to use other brands like Nivea. I use Dr. Alvin Rejumax thrice or twice a year, but you may use this as needed, but at least have a couple of months interval. If you have used the same products, you may want to let me know about it. Just type in a comment box below. Stay beautiful and see you on my next video. Bye!